Hello friends. So in this video we will be discussing about Loris Lab Techno Funda analysis. So something about the stock is the stock is very popular in social media currently because of its growth, and it's a mid cap company. So let's start with the stock Techno Funda analysis. So as you can see, the stock was facing resistance at this trend line. So it faced resistance at this level, at this level, at this level, and then it gave a breakout about this resistance line. And after that the stock had took support. This resistance line acted as a support for the stock, and in future also it will be acting as a support for Loris Lab. And apart from this, there is one more setup, interesting setup, which Loris Lab is following. I am adding one moving average 100 EMA, and as you can see in this, so the stock, I am just hiding the volumes. So here it took support at 100 EMA, then here near this level it took support, then near this region it took support. So 100 EMA is also acting as a good support for Loris Lab, and it will be acting as a support in future as well. So right as of now, the stock had rallied already. Uh, from after this breakout, the stock is already, I would say, 50% up. So buying at current price will be very risky because the stop loss will be very big in this case. So what a trader can do is, trader can basically wait for the price to come down near this trend line or near this 100 EMA, and then look for some reversal pattern and then buy the stock. So if suppose let's say the stock moves up and later then it comes down to test this particular trend line or EMA, and if it forms some sort of hammer bullish engulfing or doji pattern, then a trader can look to buy this particular stock for short term perspective only, with the proper risk and reward. So this is about the Loris Lab technical analysis. So let's start with the fundamental. So the market cap is 33,000 crores. The current price is 6.9, with the book value is 48.4. And if we see the profit, so company's profit is increasing year on year. The major surprise came in the net profit in current FY21. The profit here almost, I would say, it is almost 4x of last year profit, and EPS is also high. And because of this, the stock price had rallied in last 1 year as well. The balance sheet, then the company's reserves is increasing, borrowings is also increasing year on year. This might be because of the capex, but if we see, the reserves is increasing with higher rate compared to the borrowings, which is a positive sign for the company. And reserves is almost 2x of the borrowings, which means the company is fundamentally strong as well. If you see the investors, then the promoters holding is reducing from 30 to 33 to 27. On the contrary, the FI holdings had increased year on year. So we can see 10, 9, and then it is almost 20 now. So generally, the FIs are increasing stake and promoters is diluting. So basically, a foreign institution have more resources, and they are buying stake. That means the company is like having strong institutional holdings, which means the stock had a good future ahead as well. So this is also a positive sign for Loris Lab. If we see the promoter pledging, then the promoter pledge was 45% in last year, and year on and quarter on quarter it had reduced to almost 1% now. Probably in coming quarters, the promoter pledge will reduce, will become zero. So this is also a good sign for the company. So overall, the conclusion for the fundamental analysis is company is fundamentally strong, but the price is very much high currently. So a trader should wait for the price to retest this particular trend line and EMA, and wait for some reversal pattern, and then they can look to buy this particular stock at this price with the proper stop loss at that time. So this is all about the Loris Lab. If you have learned anything, then you can like and subscribe to our channel as well. Don't forget to like this video. Also, we are making video based on the comments that we are getting from our viewers. So if you have any stock query in any stock, then you can mention it in the comment section. We will be making a Technofunda video on that particular stock as well. So this is all about the today's video. There is You can follow us on Twitter and Telegram as well for market updates. So these are the IDs for Twitter and Telegram. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.